More than 1,000 flights cancelled, passengers stranded, chaos at airports.
I want printout for my
You have to see
cancellation.
now what I will do, you tell me.
12 घंटे से ऊपर हो गए।
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि दूसरे फ्लाइट है ही नहीं।
These are the scenes unfolding at airports nationwide as Indigo's network struggles to stay airborne.
हम लोग बुकिंग ले रहे हैं।
Indigo operates over 2,200 flights a day, nearly double Air India. And more than 1,000 Indigo flights have been cancelled over the past 4 days. The cancellations have hit major hubs including Delhi, Bengaluru and Hyderabad, where hundreds of departures and arrivals have been scrapped in rapid succession. But how did it all happen? Let's tell you. Indigo has attributed the chaos to a multitude of unforeseen operational challenges, including minor tech glitches, winter schedule changes, congestion, and weather. But aviation insiders and regulators agree the real blow came from the implementation of flight duty time limitations, new crew rest and duty hour rules designed to prevent pilot fatigue. Initially introduced in January 2024 but not enforced until now, the rules mandate 48 hours of weekly rest for crew, up from 36 hours, a longer night duty window from 12 am to 6 am. A sharp cut in night landings, only 2 per week per pilot is allowed. A cap of 8 flying hours during night operations. Pilot unions allege Indigo ignored warnings and failed to prepare staffing rosters and a prolonged hiring freeze despite knowing new rules were imminent. The crunch intensified after an Airbus A320 software advisory triggered weekend delays, pushing flights past midnight, turning delays into cascading cancellations once the new rest rules kicked in. So what's next? Indigo has sought time till February 10, 2026 to fully stabilize operations and has begun cutting flights over the next few days to contain the damage. It has apologized repeatedly and urged passengers to check flight status before leaving home, carry essential supplies and consider flexible or refundable bookings.